In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS records like TXT, CNAME, and MX entries to your Hostinger domain. Whether you're setting up your website's essential configurations or troubleshooting connectivity issues, managing DNS records efficiently is a critical skill. So let's dive right in. To get started, head over to Hostinger's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, you'll want to look for the Domain section. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the page where you can manage all your domain settings. Next, you should see an option called Domain Portfolio on this page where your domains are listed. Click on it to view all the domains you own under your Hostinger account. Once you're on the domain list page, find the specific domain you wish to configure and click on Manage. This is an important step because it directs you to the Domain Management console where you'll make all the necessary DNS changes. Once you're in the domain management area, look for a tab labeled DNS Name Servers. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the DNS management page. Here, you'll see the various record types you can add, including MX, AAA, CNAME, SRV, TXT, and CA records. For this tutorial, select the type of DNS record you need based on your specific requirement. Now let's talk about entering the details for your record. Each DNS type may have slightly different fields, but you'll commonly need to fill in the name field. This is usually the subdomain or root domain you want the DNS entry to affect. For instance, for a subdomain, you might enter www, whereas for the main domain, you might use the @ symbol. After setting the name, it's time to input the IP address or value, depending on the type of DNS record you're dealing with. If it's an A record, this would be the IP address of the server you're pointing to. For CNAME records, you'll enter the domain you want it to resolve to. Don't forget to set the TTL, which stands for time to live. This determines how long servers should cache this information. You can usually leave it at the default unless you're advised to change it for specific reasons. Once you've got all the fields filled out correctly, go ahead and click on the Add Record button. This action saves your new DNS record and integrates it into your domain's configuration settings. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily add DNS records to your Hostinger domain. Adjusting these settings can significantly impact how your site interacts with the internet infrastructure, so it always pays to double-check your entries. Thank you for joining me today. Now go ahead and enjoy the seamless functionality of your optimized domain settings.